1. What is the coulomb, a unit of A. Electric current, B. Electric charge, C. Capacitance, D. Resistance. Answer: B. Electric charge. 2. In which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? A. 1757, B. 1764, C. 1857, D. 1775. Answer: A. 1757. 3. Which gas is used in the Haber process for ammonia production? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer: B. Nitrogen. 4. Who is known as the Indian Napoleon? A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Ashoka, C. Samudragupta, D. Harsha. Answer: C. Samudragupta. 5. What is the primary function of the root nodules in leguminous plants? A. Photosynthesis, B. Nitrogen fixation, C. Water absorption, D. Nutrient storage. Answer: B. Nitrogen fixation. 6. Which enzyme is responsible for breaking down proteins in the stomach? A. Amylase, B. Pepsin, C. Lipase, D. Trypsin. Answer: B. Pepsin. 7. Which Indian missile is known as the Agni series? A. Ballistic missile, B. Surface-to-air missile, C. Cruise missile, D. Anti-tank missile. Answer: A. Ballistic missile. 8. Which treaty ended the First World War? A. Treaty of Versailles, B. Treaty of Vienna, C. Treaty of Paris, D. Treaty of Tordesillas. Answer: A. Treaty of Versailles. 9. What is the primary purpose of the Kyoto Protocol? A. Nuclear disarmament, B. Climate change and greenhouse gas reduction, C. Promote free trade, D. Protect human rights. Answer: B. Climate change and greenhouse gas reduction. 10. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. 1919, B. 1921, C. 1915, D. 1923. Answer: A. 1919. 11. Who is the author of the famous book, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer: A. Dadabhai Naoroji. 12. What is the rank of India in terms of area in the world? A. 5th, B. 7th, C. 6th, D. 4th. Answer: B. 7th. 13. Which year was the Indian Constitution adopted? A. 1950, B. 1947, C. 1949, D. 1952. Answer: C. 1949. 14. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Dollar, B. Pound sterling, C. Euro, D. Franc. Answer: B. Pound sterling. 15. Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere is closest to the surface? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Thermosphere. Answer: A. Troposphere. 16. Which year was the Planning Commission of India established? A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1951, D. 1952. Answer: B. 1950. 17. Who was the first recipient of the Jnanpith Award? A. G. Sankara Kurup, B. Tarashankar Bandyopadhyay, C. Mahadevi Verma, D. Kurratulain Haider. Answer: A. G. Sankara Kurup. 18. Which type of coal has the highest carbon content? A. Anthracite, B. Bituminous, C. Lignite, D. Peat. Answer A. Anthracite. 19. Which enzyme is responsible for the digestion of proteins? A. Amylase. B. Pepsin. C. Lipase. D. Maltase. Answer B. Pepsin. 20. What is the rank of India in the Human Development Index (HDI) 2023? A. 120. B. 125. C. 134. D. 138. Answer C. 134. 21. Who wrote the famous book, The Republic? A. Aristotle. B. Plato. C. Socrates. D. Cicero. Answer B. Plato. 22. What is the main ore of aluminum? A. Hematite. B. Bauxite. C. Magnetite. D. Galena. Answer B. Bauxite. 23. What is the phenomenon responsible for the blue color of the sky? A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Scattering. D. Dispersion. Answer C. Scattering. 24. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? A. Article 15. B. Article 17. C. Article 21. D. Article 19. Answer B. Article 17. 25. Which is the first country to adopt Christianity as its state religion? A. Greece. B. Armenia. C. Rome. D. Ethiopia. Answer B. Armenia. Which country has agreed to provide its integrated antenna system, Unicorn, to the Indian naval ships?